Her friend mom cussed out a TikTok sound.
Hello?
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 Yo, hey.
Who's this?
So you the one who hit my car?
Excuse me?
Well, you left your phone number on my windshield. Listen, B, you scratched my fender and busted out my taillight.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know
Yes,
what you're
you
talking
did.
about. Excuse me?
Who your insurance company, B?
I don't know who you think you're talking to. You can.
Yo,
I'm
don't
in
lie
my
to me.
house. I never left my phone number
Then
anywhere.
why'd you leave
call
a
the
damn
police?
note?
I did not leave you a fucking note. Don't speak to
I'm
me like
losing my
that.
patience.
Good night, sir. I don't know
Man,
who
what's
you think
wrong
you're.
with you? I got your note right here in my own hands. Hello?
I don't know, sir. I don't know what you're talking about. And if you call this number back again, we're gonna have a fucking problem.